Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make quick and easy sauteed kale. You'll find all the ingredients you need throughout the video as well as in the description box. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today we are making quick and easy sauteed kale. So in a very large pan, I'm using my large wok. I have a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Well, actually I use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm putting there 2 tablespoons of garlic. And I'm just going to quickly move everything around just to kind of wake up the flavor of the garlic. Just going to cook it for about 30 seconds. I'm going to throw in a half a cup of chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock. Now I'm just providing the foundation on how to cook the kale. If you want to cut up some bacon and render the fat from that, you want to add onions, feel free. So after adding our stock, I'm going to put in 1 pound of kale. Okay. After adding all the kale, I'm just going to place a lid on here, and I'm going to let this cook for about 6 minutes on medium-high heat covered. It's been 6 minutes, so now I'm going to just give the kale everything a stir here. I'm going to add some pepper to this, and if you want to add salt, feel free, but I'm not going to add any more salt because the salt for the broth is plenty. And I'm going to add some dried Parmesan cheese. Sort of gives it a nutty flavor. I'm going to give everything a toss. So I'm going to add some pepper, and then I'm going to plate this up. So I'm going to go ahead and give this kale a taste. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this video. It smells really good. I love kale. Really flavorful, really delicious. And the salt from the Parmesan cheese really balances this out. Very tender, and it's not bitter. So there you have it, how to make quick and easy sauteed kale. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. And thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up. And please remember to live and be well.